Welcome! If you've been wondering how to change the sharing screen in a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update, you're in the right place. Sharing the right screen during a video chat is super important, whether you're presenting, collaborating, or just showing something interesting. So let's walk through the simple steps to make that happen. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the channel where you want to start or join the video chat. This is the channel where you'll be sharing your screen. Next, click to open the video chat in that channel. Depending on your setup, you might find the video chat option at the top or in the channel's menu. Once inside the video chat interface, you'll see several icons for different functions. Look for the sharing icon. It's the first icon from the left among the options you see. This button is the gateway to changing your screen share. When you click that icon, Telegram will prompt you to choose what you want to share. Here's the key part. You can now select which screen or window you want to display. Whether it's your entire desktop or a specific application window, the choice is yours. After you pick the screen or window, click the Share Screen button to start sharing that view with everyone in the video chat. And just like that, you've changed what's being shared live. This updated process makes it easy to switch between screens seamlessly during a channel video chat. No need to stop and restart the whole call. Just click the sharing icon again anytime you want to change what others see. So, to recap the steps. Open Telegram on your PC. Go to the channel you want. Open the video chat. Click the sharing icon, first icon from the left. Choose the screen to share and hit Share Screen. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your screen sharing on Telegram and make your video chats more dynamic and interactive than ever before. Thanks for watching.